Oh, Canada, our home and native land. What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. That's just a little intro of our national anthem here in Canada, the land of the cold. Okay, guys, we're going to go over Polygon. We're seeing some bullish reversal patterns that I wanted to make you guys aware of. This is an important video. It's not clickbait. So we're going to go over the charts. We're also going to go over some juicy news. I try to add some news every once in a while to my videos. I know there's many of you that like that. So currently we're down about 6% on the day. And let's look at the 7-day. I haven't looked at the 7-day in a minute. 7-day we're up about 4%. Currently sitting at $1.49. The market cap is sitting at $9.4 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 1.35 billion actually. All right, guys. So we're gonna hop into this news. I'm just trying to get my water to. There's too much stuff on my desk. There we go. All right, guys. So. Kyber expands to Polygon, announces 30 million Rainmaker liquidity mining program. The Kyber network is set to float a 30 million liquidity mining program on both Ethereum and Polygon pools. Decentralized finance liquidity hub Kyber, might be Cyber, but I think it's Kyber. Network is set to become the next DeFi protocol to enter the expanding Polygon ecosystem. According to the announcement, the Rainmaker program will distribute 30 million in rewards to liquidity providers on the Kyber DMM across both Polygon and Ethereum. Of total reward pool, 12.6 million Kyber network crystal, about 25 million will be distributed to liquidity providers on selected Ethereum-based amplified pools. The remaining 2.5 million KNC and about 5 million will be for LPs on Polygon-based amplified pools. So that's exciting, guys. Another partnership here for Polygon. So we can see here, Kyber Network CEO Lao Lu told Cointelegraph, Kyber's vision is to deliver a sustainable liquidity infrastructure for DeFi, and this also extends to fast-growing ecosystems such as Polygon. You know it. So awesome to see another DeFi project launching here on Polygon. So let's hop into it, guys. Hey, guys, I know my videos can be a bit lengthy, especially if I add the news. There is a feature where you can speed up the video. You can put it on 1.5, 1.25, 1.75, even 2 times speed. You know, I'm a laid back guy. There was a commenter and he said, "Oh, these Americans, they always speak slowly to extend their videos." Well, my friend, first of all, I'm Canadian and I don't speak slower. I just speak slow naturally. I'm just laid back, okay? Give me a break. All right, guys. So first thing I wanted to show you was the weekly chart. So I'm noticing a bull pennant on the weekly. All right, guys. So here's your pennant, and I'm going to draw out your flagpole here on the weekly chart. So I'm going to draw out your flagpole. I'm going to show you your breakout. If you see us start to break above the golden ratio here at $1.63. Now, this will take quite a long time to play out. It's not going to happen overnight. But it is a pattern I've been noticing. So here's your breakout target, and it brings you right up to the 1.272 extension here on the Fibonacci at $3.83. So that was something I had noticed today that I wanted to bring to your guys' attention. So I hope you guys appreciate it. All right, guys, let's hop into the daily chart here. So we're here on the daily. So I think a key level of resistance here will be this trend line. We have 1 touch, we have 2 touch, we have 3 touch, and it lines up with the golden ratio here at $1.64, $1.65. You can see here we've touched it. So if we break out of this trend line of resistance here, that's when you see that larger formation that would bring us up to the 1.272. So if you start to see us break out of this line of resistance, that would be a bullish sign of continuation, and we'd be back above the golden ratio here. So there was another chart pattern, a bullish reversal pattern that I wanted to bring to your guys' attention on the 4-hour chart, and that's a double bottom that looks like it's forming. I'm going to open this up. So here it is, guys. You have your bottom, you come down into it, you make your bottom, you come up, you hit resistance, you come down, back down, you form your double bottom, and then you break out to the upside. So keep an eye on that formation forming, and there's your neckline. So if we come down and we break the neckline, we start to trend back upwards. We bounce off the 0.382, hold a strong level of support. I'll give you your breakout target. Let's measure it from here up to our neckline, your breakout. and that could bring you right up here to about $1.66. So keep an eye. That bullish formation may play out here. It looks like it's forming, so I wanted to bring that to your attention as well here. So we can see here on the 4-hour chart, we came down and we bounced off the 0.382 at $1.47. Our wicks came down to about $1.44. I talked about us finding support in between about $1.42, $1.40, and $1.47 here, and we did. Now, if we break below $1.47, then that double bottom, good lord, that double bottom will be neglected. What's the word? That double bottom will be rejected. No, that's not a good word either. The double bottom will be mamacita. The double bottom will be invalid. It will be invalidated. Come on, Jax, get it together, bro. It will be invalidated if we break below $1.47, or we break below these wicks here at about $1.44, and that would be a clear sign that we head down to these levels of support, $1.40 and $1.34. So let's pop Matic open into the 1-hour chart. All right, guys, so we're here on the 1-hour chart. Now, this is your major level of resistance. Would also be the neckline to your double bottom at $1.55. You can see we have had the bearish cross on the hourly, and it looks like we're coming down here to $1.47. So keep an eye on that range in between about $1.47 to $1.44, and look for that bounce, and then could see that double bottom pattern play out here on the hourly. All right, guys, we still have a little bit of descending volume here. So when we come down to that $1.47, look for the volume to pick up, and then we can break key levels of resistance. We have our previous swing high at $1.53, and then of course $1.55 will be a major level of resistance. We break out of that and our double bottom can play out, and of course we have to break our high at about $1.71. All right, guys, so that was just a pattern I wanted to make you guys aware of here. And then of course we have those future price targets at the 1.414 at $4.60, the 1.618 at $10, and our guesstimate here at about $10, or at $6, and our guesstimate at $10 for Matic. So let's pop open Ethereum. Subscription has been modified. Oh yeah, I just paid my TradingView bill because it kept popping up ads on my chart, and it was very disturbing. All right, guys, so we can see it here with Ethereum as well, that double bottom forming. So keep an eye on that pattern, guys. We've come down, make our bottom, you come up, you make your second bottom, and it looks just like a W double bottom. And here's your neckline for Ethereum here. So if you see us start to bounce, keep an eye on that neckline, guys. If you see us start to bounce, we break above that neckline, you're looking at a juicy, oh come on, TradingView, it's actually my fault. TradingView is perfectly fine. A juicy little breakout that could bring you right up to the 0.786 at about 25.71. All right, guys, and if we break that support, that's when you're going to break out. You're going to break down from our ascending triangle that has been beautifully playing out here, and I will drop some levels of support. Let's drop this one in right here. Let's drop that in. You can see, guys, we still have descending volume down here, so we would need that volume to pick up, and I'm going to drop in this level of support as well here. So if you were to see us break below about 23.54, invalidating our double bottom here, then we could come down to these levels of support, 22.96 and 22.45. Keep an eye on this double bottom, though. This is where I'm anticipating to play out, and we break above the EMAs and we head up to 25.71. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we'll end the video here with Bitcoin. You can see another double bottom, guys. See here? Come down into it, bottom, come up, resistance, double bottom, and then breakout, right? So keep an eye on this neckline as well for Bitcoin. You know, our master energies, you always have to keep an eye on the master energies. I'm gonna ignore the wicks here, and I'm just gonna put the neck, oh lord, I'm just gonna put the neckline at the top of our candles here. So if you see us start to break above, let me give it a little price target, 39213, could have a nice little breakout here. That would bring you up to about 40K, guys. It would bring you back up to 40K, where we have a major level of support and resistance in this area. So really keep an eye on the double bottom. I probably said that a million times. If we break down, guys, if we invalidate that double bottom pattern, then you have your levels of support still here at 37794, 370 0.16. Now guys, I'll teach you guys how I trade a little bit here. So I would keep an eye out on that double bottom with both Ethereum, because I am doing some swing trading with Matic. I'm also a long-term investor with Matic, so I would keep an eye on Ethereum, and I would wait for it to break above the 0.382 to break out of the neckline, and if it backtests as support, I would enter my trade. And most likely I would take profits. Well, this is Ethereum. I would be trading Matic. So of course I would always be keeping my eye on Ethereum. But if I saw Matic start to bounce, I would take my Fibonacci out and I would pull it from this swing high down to this swing low. If this was our bottom, if our double bottom, our second half of the double bottom doesn't break this wick and this was our bottom, and I would wait. I would wait for Matic to break this neckline here. This is ugly. Let me straighten it out. I would wait for Matic to break this neckline to get back above the 382 as well at about $1.55. If Matic bounced, it came up and it started to backtest this as support, and especially if it got above the 0.5 and the Fibonacci, that's when I would enter my trade, because then I would have my confirmation. Of course I would set my stop loss. Lately I've been trading with leverage, which is risky, guys, so if you're not an experienced trader, please don't trade with leverage. And then I would look for my breakout target. So I may take profits at $1.66, but if I saw us start to break out from the double bottom, we were back above the golden ratio, and we're back above the 0.786, and we're looking strong, most likely where I would take my profits is at the 1.272 extension right here. This is just a quick little trading lesson with Jax, showing you how I would trade at $1.78. So if I saw us come down, we started to break this neckline, we backtested as support, and we got back above the 0.5, I would enter my position right around probably $1.57 to $1.56. I would enter my position, and this would be my take profit. I would either take profit here or I would take profit here, depending on the strength of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Matic at the time. But if usually when you get back above the 0.6 to 0.786, you're going to head to at least the 1.272, and then I would take profit, and I would get a nice little trade here of about 13%, or how much is that? About 13%, but I trade with 10x leverage, so it would be 130% trade. All right, guys, so just a little trading lesson with Jack. So that's it, guys. Keep an eye on that double bottom pattern playing out. So that's it, guys. A little trading lesson with Jax. If you're a day trader, if you're a swing trader, or if you're a long-term investor, it's always important to look at the charts, even if you're a long-term investor, to kind of see where the price action is going and to stay up to date. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Hey, check out the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We talk all things crypto. So if you're new to crypto, if you're experienced, it's a great place to talk about different coins, to get different opinions, insights. We also have people posting chart analysis. Yeah, that's it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. See you in the next one. Peace. Much love.